to you. Ready?
Put your finger up there and let him attack you.
Yeah. Oh, he's getting ready to attack. What's the matter, buddy? Oh, got me.
Oh no! Oh no!
He did attack me. He bit me.
He bit me too, I think.
You are a weird duck.
Why would he go away?
I don't know.
I think he's got like ultra testosterone. Wow! Oh man. Oh god, Danielle's gonna love this.
You know, he could hurt
His
you.
wings are strong.
I know. Oh, he's a little fired up now. He's ready to fight.
I think he was meant to win us some money in a grouse fight. Maybe we can take him to the city.
Rough. Did you get a picture of his bald head?
Yeah, you could go.
John says it
Ruffykins, the crazy grouse.
Oh my god, now you got him. Oh. Hey, wait a second, he's gonna smash my camera. He's gonna, Chris, if he breaks that lens, I'm gonna break your finger. He's getting ready to attack.
Oh. Simmer down, buddy. No, no.